If you need to edit responses in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest way to find a response, open it, make your changes, and save everything properly. This is a great workflow if you're cleaning up survey data, correcting a response, or updating something after submission. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, find the survey that contains the response you want to edit. Click into that survey so you can access its results and response settings. Next, look for the Analyze Results section. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps the response data for your survey. Click on Analyze Results to open the reporting and response management tools. From there, you'll want to switch to individual responses. That view lets you look at one submission at a time instead of only seeing charts and summaries. Now you'll see a list or table of individual responses. Take a moment to find the exact response you want to change. If you have a lot of submissions, scroll through carefully until you locate the right one. Once you've found it, click the edit icon next to that response. This opens the response in an editable view. After the response opens, review the answers and make the changes you need. You can update the fields that need correcting, fix any mistakes, or adjust the information as required. Be careful here and make sure you only change the parts that are actually supposed to be edited. Once you're finished, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your SurveyMonkey response has now been edited. If you are using this to clean up a dataset or correct a submission, you should now see the updated response in your results. It's always a good idea to double check that the changes saved properly before moving on. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.